Sorry, my camera just shut off by itself. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's kind of crazy. But anyway, this one, the leaves already had came like that, and I decided to just plant it here. It has water. In order for it not to shrink down here, I took another cup, cut this part here, sticked it in there where as further as it went, and then I made a hole and put the onion on top. That way the onion is not sitting in water, as you could see right there, and it's starting already to provoke. Today I don't know what's wrong with me. Today I put it just where the roots part is, and it's starting to work pretty good. Yesterday I changed the water. It has 2 days there, and the water is starting to provoke the roots. So this is two project I got. I have and I want to show you what I did in my balcony. Okay, this is what I did with my plant. Look at that. Okay, it has this. This is bigger. It's bigger than this one. What I did is I filled this one up, left a hole to put this one in there. That is also full. The roots is almost like around to here, so it has a lot of space to keep growing. And I'm gonna see if I could control the size of it. I want something that is not running all over the place. But I decided to change it because, let me see where it is. Oh, right there. I don't know if you can see it. Wait. I don't want to hurt it. Let me see. Okay, right there, you can see it right there. It's getting tomatoes. So I wanted it to have enough space to grow, and here they're not gonna need that much water, because this is pure compost, and this compost, it tends to be more cooler. This is the one I had in the barrel, the big barrel, and when I took it out, it was moist. Why? Because it was covered with plastic. So I don't know how it gets so wet. So I didn't have to put I didn't have to wet it. I just planted it, and as you can see, look how beautiful. So, and it's holding by itself. It's not like flipping all over the place. And these are 3. This is one of them. This is the second one, and this is the baby one. And the other 2 that I had, I took them out because they would look like they were dying. So this became beautiful. This one is gonna go to that space right there. As you can see there, I already put the little plate, but I want my husband to, when he comes, to see if he could pull it over there, carry it. Because if I drag it, it was already, the whole balcony was washed already with soap and water and all that stuff, and scrubbed up. So I don't want to just push it and then get the floor dirty again, So I'm gonna just leave the plate there for him to carry it and put it on top of there. And as you can see, right next to me is my papaya. So this one, I'm gonna put it side by side. And the other thing that I want to show you, hold on, was this. The little things that I had, I checked out in the internet and see what I could do about it. They told me that that's onion maggots, something like that. It looks like the same thing that was here. I'm not sure, but they said it was onion maggots, and they eat the roots. That's where they live off of. So they said you put water, soap, and vinegar, and that's what I did. I dropped a lot of water, soap, and vinegar in here, left it for 2 days, and it seems like there's no more maggots. They said that the vinegar does not hurt the plant. So, I water it, because after it dried out, I water it again, to drain a little bit how you call it, the vinegar, just in case. And I separated them. These were the 3 that it was in there, but if you see, it's not really 3, because this one has 2. but I have to wait for it to break all this, separate, and then I could put it apart. I would do the same thing like I did here. This one of them I messed it up. I tried to yank it out and it tore a little bit, so I grabbed the knife and cut it so it didn't keep on, how you call it, breaking. And I think it's doing pretty good because I put it like so it could like glue in together. I put it straight there, and it hasn't had no problem because I don't even know which one it is, if it's this one or this one, because they both look good. And this one I know it wasn't, because it wasn't the one, the twin. So this is working pretty good, and this plant is wants to grow, but I don't know, it's just like not in it. So it's gonna drop all the old leaves, as because I put some of them, I watered them with water and vinegar, and they look like they're okay, but they're gonna drop some of the leaves because they are not too good looking. This one looks okay, but not all of them looks okay. So I'll be watering this with water and vinegar and a little bit of soap to make sure. Why I put this here is because under it I put some peanut, I call it the shell of the peanut. I put it under here just to, and then I just don't want nothing, trying to take it out or anything. So this will cover it. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna buy bananas and put bananas in the inside the dirt. That helps out, for the nutrients and stuff. Even though I did put nutrients, as you can see, it has nutrients right there. I gotta buy more because I want to put more on it, but that will be sometime next week. So anyway, everything looks good, and I'm so proud of my tomatoes. Yes, it's already giving me babies. I hope the flowers don't fall, because I'll be so disillusionated. So, oh, you see my door, huh? It got like a grayish. Well, we're gonna paint that, and we were thinking if to paint it that color, but then we decided no, because the other door is like a real light beige. So I want the two doors to look alike. So we changed our mind, but we left it like that because you gotta pass this thing to smooth it all out. It has like a plastic. That's why you see the cracks. Is the plastic. So we have to do like they did the door on the other side. Rub it in, scrape it with this machine, and then paint it. So I decided to paint it different, together with the same color. So that's why you see it all painted up. We're kind of crazy anyway. But I love the balcony, the way it came out. The coloring, it looks nice, and it gives a certain look on my plants, like a certain highlight. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time, bye bye.